Ki Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Jingpynshai pet ba ka balai sngi halor ka jingle Khuid bat halor ka Jingbam ban bam ya ki Jingbam Teimet bala pelong da ka Central Bureau of Communication Shillong ka wahab apo ka Jingpet Jingkmi jang ka Ministry of Communication and Broadcasting jang ka Sarkar India kala long ka Seisoh yakni ka program ka bala pelong ha Alpha English High Secondary School Hanong po lasa kilang do MDA jang Hanong po constituency ba Miral Bons u principal jang ka Alpha English High Secondary School Uba WK Bla u officer uba Mikmat na ka Central Bureau Communication u Gopajit Das bat kiwe-kiwe.
We want to extract the talents from you because so many of you out there have such talents that we as teachers don't know unless we have such activities. We really don't know if we really have dancers and then painters and artists, and then we really don't know if we have those people who are good in quiz, like any item, because all of us are given certain talents and flares that we can show, that we can expose. I mean, unless it is exposed, we won't know how to develop them. So thank you so much, sir, for your department, for helping us students here, for those who have participated, to learn from the various exhibition and the activities that we've had.
We already built our foundation in our school. Now the very important part from now on is that how you will build your friendship, how you will build society, how you will be part to build a good human being. That is very, very important. Your parents, they have spent, they have backup for you, they have doing so much for all of you. So we have to pay back to your parents, to your teachers, with what they expect from you. Education is important. We are all here in school, in colleges, to get education, to educate oneself. To educate, after some time, you have to appear for your exam also. It is very important that you have to secure good marks. The trophy that you have received, it is symbolic. It is a symbol that you have won. But very important is that within your heart, how you will build your career, how you will build your individuality. That is very important. What it is there out of this trophy. Trophy you can keep at home as a symbolic certificate. You will keep. It will remind you 20, 30 years later. You will remember, okay, on that year I have won this. But important issue is that from now on, try to build your career, try to build in the society you are living, how you will treat, how you will behave with others. It is very important, especially in this generation that we are living, which is full of activities that will carry away our mind. It is important that we have to remember. We belong to a country where we can follow any religion. It is a secular country. Be it a Christian, be it a Hindu, be it a Muslim, be it a Buddhist, Sikh, all religion, we respect each other.
participants, in which he bagged the third prize. So all of you- Let's all give her a round of applause.